If you're a fan of 3D elements, there is now a whole new section in the Canva element library that you can see for 3D. Let's go over to elements and you see there's a whole new section called 3D. Isn't this cool? Let's click on the 3D. You can see the icon on stickers. You can see characters on emojis. Let's click on see, or you see all these beautiful emojis that you can actually use. Let's go back on this character and emoji. If you go to icon and stickers, you have all these beautiful 3D elements you can use in your design. But if you don't see what you're looking for, you can go over to graphics and search the element it is you're looking for. I'm just going to quickly click from my recent design. If this is the element I want to use, I want it to be in 3D. I'm going to click on edit here and come over here where you see style match. I'm going to click on see all. And I'm going to come down here where it says realistic and click on 3D arts. It will load this up. You see, I have transformed my whole design into a 3D element. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.